I'm Ruth Williams Hennessy, the creator of Hennessy Whole Body Voice, a physical approach to finding your whole voice by connecting to your whole body. In a Hennessy Whole Body Voice workshop, you learn how to perform with your whole body. Workshops consist of physical release and alignment exercises, followed by the opportunity to perform while I identify where you are overworking and out of alignment in your body. I am always respectful of the work you are doing with your own teacher, and I only address the misplaced physical tensions that are inhibiting your sound. My goal is not to change your technique, but to change your body, creating a more responsive and resonant instrument for any technique you use. We cover an extraordinary amount of information, but the atmosphere is always welcoming, encouraging, and fun. Every workshop is a little bit different because I'm always responding to the specific physical issues of the individual performers, but each workshop follows the same general format. We begin with physical exercises to release misplaced tension, often using balls, resistance bands, or massage tools. Next, simple exercises improve posture and alignment, allowing a deeper connection to the core muscles of the body. You learn not only how to do the exercises, but also precisely what is going on in your body as you do, and why each exercise is beneficial. My approach is very hands-on, yet always respectful of your personal boundaries. You, the participant, are always in control of how much of my help you would like. Finally, we apply all that new information to performance. As you sing a song or aria, or recite a monologue or speech, and we assess your current individual pattern of body tension and posture while you are performing, you learn precisely how your individual body pattern is affecting your sound, and which body changes translate into the vocal changes you are looking for. By the end of the workshop, you will have a very clear understanding of how to continue the work on your own, so the benefits are long-lasting. Join us and see for yourself performing that feels as good as it sounds.